Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this feature demo, we're going to be taking a look at the computer replacement cost calculator that is offered within Endpoint Insights. And the computer replacement cost calculator is going to be a tool that's going to allow you to more easily budget for your upcoming device replacements. So let's go ahead and take a look at the tool itself here. So we're in the Config Manager console in Assets and Compliance. We have our Recast Software node here expanded. We'll jump into Endpoint Insights. And under the Device Warranty tab, we'll have our computer replacement cost calculator. We'll go ahead and open that up here. So here is our dashboard. So we just need to go ahead and select a collection. So I'm going to go ahead and grab all of our desktop and server clients. So here at the top, we have some options to change the standard length of how long we're keeping our different types of endpoints. Whether it be like a laptop, a server, a desktop, we can put in how many days we generally keep those for. And then near the bottom here, we can also put in the average cost of how much it is for us to replace each of those types. So maybe right here we put $700 as our standard laptop replacement cost, and we can change any of the values here as well. Then we can go ahead and view our report. It's going to give us a nice breakdown here of what needs to be replaced over the next couple of years. And it'll break it down by chassis type. So we have our laptops, our desktops, our servers, and our VMs listed here. Any of these items that are underlined in blue, you can go ahead and click on those to drill into them to view the devices that are within those categories. So this would be the expired ones. These would be the ones that we'd be wanting to replace this year. So we can get a good list of those devices here. We're also getting totals here so we can see how much our cost is. Towards the bottom here, we get a full total cost by the year, listed broken down by the chassis type as well. So that's just a quick look at the computer replacement cost calculator that's offered within Endpoint Insights. It's a great tool if you need to budget or plan for your next device replacement.